Okay, so I have a rather unusual thing I'm about to do right now. It's an unboxing, which is not unusual in and of itself, but usually I do Lolita unboxings. Today's unboxing is a little bit different because my husband was like, I ordered you something from eBay, and I was like, what did you order me? And he showed it to me. It was a sword. Now, I know you're wondering, Achan, what the fuck do you want with a sword? There's so many applications I can have for a sword. Like I just told my husband, I plan on walking around with this sword for a little while, threatening everybody in the house because I have a sword. So there's that application. Then there is the application that for about 14 years now, I have been talking about doing a cosplay for the opera Don Giovanni. It is the one role that I would love to do that I will never do because I'm not a dude. So I was like, I'm going to cosplay as Don Giovanni. And I vowed this year, I don't usually make New Year's resolutions, but I promised myself at some point this year, I was going to fucking do my Don Giovanni cosplay. So my husband has spurred me on with this. So now I have to do this because he has bought me this sword. So we're going to do a sword unboxing. So, no, I don't know how to fence. No, I don't know the first thing about swords. I just know handle with care. So, I don't think it's a real sword. I think it's a play sword, but you treat stuff with respect in any case. And they taped this bad boy pretty good, so I know I like the strangest things, or I have the strangest things in my life, but hey, what are you going to do? I didn't even ask for this. It's been a while since we talked about me getting a sword, so let's turn the camera because I'm going to have to stand up for this. Because as you see, this box comes up to my boobs. That's like 95% of my height right there. So. The sound of box ripping. Ow. Yeah. Okay. Boxception, I do believe. So weak. So weak and tired because we just got back. We got back like almost a little after 1 in the morning yesterday, or this morning. I should say, not even yesterday, this morning. Alright. Something just fell out. What is happening? Oh. I see a point, which is probably not good, so let me indeed open this way. Okay, the sword is slipping out of the bottom. Y'all see that? It's sliding out the bottom. Ugh, okay. I don't think I'm supposed to get this out this way. Let's try this, because I see all this stuff here, so. What do I do with my scissors? Oh, here they are. Sorry. Alright. Okay. Oh. Dude. Ta-da! Oh man, this thing is weighty. Oh, this is weighty. Fucking hell, bucks. I'm gonna trip over that. Oh. It's so long and my arms are so short. Oh, it's so cool. It's made in China. Like everything else I own. Come on, motor skills. Come on, motor skills. You can do it. Yay! We have functioning motor skills. Fine motor skills. Man, this thing is heavy. I love it. I am not exactly sure if this is the kind of sword that Don Giovanni would have, but it's the sword Adrian cosplaying as Don Giovanni is going to have. So, if I put this on my waist, oh, good lord. It's like hitting stuff. Ooh, so heavy. And I think, because I heard somewhere, when you get a sword, you have to name it. So, I'm thinking I want to name it Earl Stabbington the Fourth. So, oh, so cool. So cool. Wow, it's so, like, weighty. I wasn't expecting it, because I was expecting it to be kind of like a toy sword. And kind of like, oh, I just throw this thing. But, like, this, like, it's got a little heft to it. I'm kind of surprised. So, alright. I guess I better do my Don Giovanni cosplay and stop dicking around. Because we now have a sword for it. And I think this is always the kind of sword I wanted for him. Because I figured this would be the kind of sword he would use to kill Donna Anna's father. So, it's so cool. So, yep, that was my sword unboxing. I unboxed some of the weirdest stuff, don't I? So, that is all I have for the time being. And I will see y'all later. Later!